Hello everyone, good evening. Now it's 9:20 p.m. in my country. How are you today? Today is Saturday. Are you still working or rest of your home today? Tell me in the comment. And how the weather in your country today? Today, the weather in my country is a little stranger. It's some sun on morning, but it's raining on afternoon. But I like this kind of this weather. And you? Do you like rain or summer? Tell me in the comment. And today I have some business to do, but it's not for my job. Yeah, I am on holiday, so I don't need to work this time. And you still working today? I don't think so, because today is Saturday and you have a day off today, right? So whatever, tell me in the comment. Goodbye, see you later.